at multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, so I've already built this array here instead of you watching me typing. And what I've done is to make a multi-dimensional array, which is just more than one array. I put two array signs in, my variable name, I open a bracket, and then inside I put my values, okay? Then I put a comma, then I put my next set of values with a comma and my next set. Then you have to close it again with your outer bracket, okay? So if I want to output from my array 0, 0, which would be 1, because this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So that's 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Right? So let's just have a look and see what we get here so far. When I run this, right, we got 1, 2, 3, and 5. Now, let's have a look at 1, 1. 1, 1 is going to be 1, 1, which is the 5, okay? If I wanted to get 1, 0, let's have a look. I'll show you this. If I wanted 1, 0, I go here. Okay, let's save that. And then I run it. And what will we get? There you go. So 1, 0 is this one here, and the first digit is 0 on it, right? This would be 1, 1, and this would be 1, 2. To show you 1, 2, we go in here, and we'll just change this to 1, and we'll change this to 2, because you see now, let's save that, and go again. It's running a little bit quicker today, anyway, until I said that, and here we go, 6. So when you wanted 1, 2, that's line 1, and that's going to be then the first digit 0, 1, 2, which gives you the 6. Okay, if you wanted the second, the next line down, what we would get here be say 1, 0, 1, 2. So if I go for 2, 0, I should be able to get 7. Okay, and I'll put another line in, and if I go for 2, if I go for 2, 1, I'm guessing that I'm going to get 8. I'm not guessing, I know I'm going to get 8. This is how you go through a multi-dimensional array. Okay, it's running, and there you go, 7 and 8. Okay guys, that's that easy part on multi-dimensional arrays. Join me in the next one, and we're going to iterate through this array here. Okay, thanks for joining. See you then. Bye bye.